Hi folks, could you imagine life without colors? Really unimaginable. You can't visualize this thing. So hi folks, welcome back to my session. So in today's session, I am going to discuss with you that how colors basically have a great impact on our lives as well as in our surroundings. We all know that colors play a very significant and vital role in our lives. They truly have magical powers. It affects our moods, activates our mind, and influences our surroundings as well as psychological aspect. Indeed, in order to make ourselves recharge, in order to boost our confidence, to change the scenario, we need colors. And these actually influences a lot in our lives as well as in our surroundings because we start accepting the things in which manner they are. Considering the spiritual aspect, for the past few years, what I have experienced and I have started implementing in my life, that I usually try to wear colors on the basis of the particular days. Like Monday is meant for white and blue shades, and Tuesday is meant for red and oranges. Wednesday is meant for green. Thursday is meant for yellow shades and lemon shades. Friday is meant for white, red and pink. Saturday is meant for orange, red and black. And Sunday is meant for multiple shades. So I generally prefer to wear such colors even if I am at my workplace or I am at home. I try to wear these things considering the spiritual aspect. So I feel rejuvenated, I feel confident enough, and I am ready for my next day task or for that particular scenario or the situation. So bright color shades are meant to evoke feelings of passion, friendliness, creativity and very liveliness in life. They want passion to be followed. They are very firm to their ways. And if we are talking about very light shades, that is related with the family of green and blue shades and violet shades. So these sort of people, they are quite mature enough. They are having peaceful mindset, and these basically light shades are known as cool colors or serene shades because they evoke the elements of nature. Like you could talk about white clouds, blue sky and all that. So I feel that there are two different categories. So let's discuss about, you can elaborate in the same way. Calmness is the main symbol of this particular category of colors. So guys, on the basis of such category of colors, I have done some research and I have written some points, so I'm going to share it with you. So green color is meant to maintain balance in life. It means these category of people, those who are having the liking or interest for such colors, they support balance, harmony, love, communication, nature, and apart from that, social acceptance is there. And those who are having the liking for blue or indigo, they need, like they are the symbol of sky, so they need calmness in life. They are very fond of honesty. They are very kind enough. They are very courteous to others. They are very humble and polite to others. So violet or indigo shades, it stimulates imagination. Like whenever we see rainbows, so it creates our imaginative skills. So universal flow is there. Those who are having the liking for the same, they are fond of doing meditation. They start accepting the things as they are, and they are having artistic qualities and they possess very creative skills. Now we are moving towards red color. So red color is meant to create passion, physical energy, stamina. Then you are having spontaneity. It means you need variety. Vitality is there in your mind and you need some sort of courage, and you have some sort of courage. Orange color is the symbol of energy and enthusiasm. Apart from that, full of optimistic or positive approach in life. Liking for yellow, they increase fun, humor. Then apart from that, they are having personal power. They use their intellect and they start accepting the goodwill in the society. So what I have experienced, and do you also admire, that colors are the smiles of nature. Life is a painting and you are an artist. So what do you want to draw in your canvas? Be curious, set a goal in your life, Discover new people, surroundings, interest area. Colors actually communicate a lot and they add liveliness and happiness to your lives. Stay connected.